Number 1. 1972 Ford LTD Convertible, $4,600, Kennewick, Washington. This 1972 Ford LTD Convertible is a rare full-size American cruiser from the final years of the large convertible era. Powered by the desirable 400 cubic inch V8 and equipped with factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and a power-operated convertible top, it offers an impressive list of original features. The seller notes that the car has spent its life in a dry climate and remains exceptionally solid and rust-free. Although it is currently not running, the engine is free and turns over. With its original green exterior, white interior, and white convertible top, this Survivor represents an affordable restoration opportunity for enthusiasts seeking one of Ford's rarer 70s convertibles. Number 2. 1973 Ford Thunderbird, $2,800, Florissant, Colorado. Despite the listing typo showing 1873, this is clearly a 1973 Ford Thunderbird, equipped with the powerful 429 cubic inch V8 engine. Showing only 50,000 original miles and remaining with its second owner, this luxury coupe has been sitting outdoors for many years and will require a complete refurbishment. The chrome trim and lighting components reportedly remain in excellent condition, while the interior, paint, and vinyl roof have deteriorated from exposure. 70s Thunderbirds are known for their bold styling and smooth highway manners, making this an appealing project for someone willing to restore a largely complete example. Number 3. 1987 Mitsubishi Starion Turbo, $1,500, Los Angeles, California. The Mitsubishi Starion Turbo has become one of the most sought-after Japanese performance cars of the 1980s. This rear-wheel drive coupe features a manual transmission and turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but the seller reports that the engine overheated and the vehicle must be towed. Even with mechanical issues, the low asking price makes it attractive for restoration or engine repair. The Starion's aggressive styling, turbocharged performance, and growing collector interest make it a noteworthy project for Japanese classic car enthusiasts. Number 4. 1957 Studebaker President, $7,500, Claremont, California. The 1957 Studebaker President stands out with its distinctive styling and increasingly rare presence on today's collector market. This example runs and drives well, retains its original license plates, and benefits from a refurbished interior and new tires. The original paint has been preserved and protected with a clear coat, maintaining the car's authentic character. Chrome and trim pieces are reportedly in excellent condition. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, this President offers a unique alternative to more common 1950s American classics. Number 5. 1953 Austin Summerset, $9,500, Galt, California. This 1953 Austin Summerset represents a rare British classic that has undergone a body-off restoration. The car features fresh custom paint, a new interior, a new convertible top, and a rebuilt drivetrain. While most of the restoration work has been completed, the vehicle still requires wiring and installation of a few remaining components. Austin models from this era are uncommon in North America, and this example provides either a near-finished restoration project or a unique platform for a custom performance build. Number 6. 1950 Willys Jeepster, $9,999. Beaverton, Oregon. The Willys Jeepster combines post-war styling with open-air motoring, making it one of the most recognizable specialty vehicles of its era. This example has been upgraded with a Chevrolet small block V8, turbo-hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, dual exhaust system, and Edelbrock carburetor. It runs and drives locally with several recent maintenance items including a new fuel tank, ignition components, and front wheel cylinders. While the paint and upholstery could benefit from attention, the Jeepster remains an enjoyable driver with plenty of character and strong street rod appeal. Number 7. 1965 Rambler Cross Country 770 Station Wagon, $6,000. Albuquerque, New Mexico. This one-owner Rambler Cross Country 770 Station Wagon is accompanied by an impressive collection of documentation, including the original title, owner's manual, and service receipts dating back to new. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it represents a rare opportunity to purchase a highly documented American wagon. Rambler wagons are becoming increasingly appreciated for their distinctive styling and practicality, and extensive ownership history adds significant appeal for collectors. Number 8. 1975 Dodge Dart Swingers, Phoenix, Arizona. The Dodge Dart Swinger remains one of the most durable compact muscle-era cars produced by Chrysler. This rust-free example is powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. It starts easily, runs well, and comes with numerous receipts, restoration literature, and spare parts. Recent upgrades include racing seats, a Kenwood stereo system, a new battery, and a complete tune-up. Its solid condition and dependable drivetrain make it an excellent classic that can be enjoyed immediately. Number 9. 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Brougham, $6,999. Rapid City, South Dakota. The Oldsmobile Cutlass was one of America's best-selling cars during the 1970s, and this Cutlass Supreme Brougham remains a strong survivor. Powered by the dependable Rocket 350 V8 and turbo-hydromatic 350 transmission, it benefits from extensive recent maintenance and long-term indoor storage. The frame is reported to be rust-free, with only minor cosmetic rust around certain lower body areas. With a clean interior and solid structure, this Oldsmobile offers excellent value for anyone seeking a comfortable and stylish 70s cruiser. Number 10. 1973 Lincoln Continental, $12,800. Superior, Colorado. With just over 33,000 original miles, this 1973 Lincoln Continental is a remarkably preserved luxury sedan. Finished in dark brown metallic over a plush beige interior, accented with walnut trim, it is powered by Lincoln's massive 460 cubic inch V8 engine. These full-size luxury cars were engineered for effortless highway travel and unmatched comfort. Low-mileage examples have become increasingly collectible, and this Continental appears to retain the elegance and presence that defined American luxury during the early 1970s. Number 11. 1969 Mercury Marauder, $7,500. San Jose, California. This 1969 Mercury Marauder is powered by the highly respected 390 FE Big Block V8 and features cold air conditioning, a horseshoe floor shifter, hidden headlamps, and a recently installed exhaust system. The Marauder shared much of its engineering with Ford's full-size performance models, but offered more distinctive styling. With everything reportedly functioning properly and additional original wheels included, this car presents an attractive blend of performance, comfort, and rarity. Number 12. 1956 Ford Fairlane Club Sedan, $15,000. Georgetown, Texas. This beautifully maintained 1956 Ford Fairlane Club Sedan combines classic styling with practical upgrades. Under the hood is the desirable 292 cubic inch Y-block V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Modern additions include air conditioning, power brakes, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, an alternator conversion, and an upgraded audio system. The floors, trunk, and structural components are reported to be solid with only minor rust present. It is an excellent driver quality classic that retains its vintage charm while offering improved usability. Number 13. 1971 Buick Skylark Custom Convertible, $15,000, Germantown, Wisconsin. This largely original 1971 Buick Skylark Custom Convertible is an authentic survivor powered by its factory 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The original interior remains remarkably well preserved, while the drivetrain has reportedly required very little repair over more than 3 decades of ownership. All major electrical systems function properly, and the car retains valuable original documentation. Minor cosmetic imperfections, light surface rust, and an aging convertible top are noted, but the vehicle remains an honest and highly appealing survivor from Buick's muscle car era. Number 14. 1971 Buick Riviera Boat Tail, $15,000, Port Ludlow, Washington. The 1971 Buick Riviera Boat Tail is widely considered one of the most dramatic American automotive designs ever produced. Powered by Buick's legendary 455 cubic inch V8, This example has been owned by the seller for 2 decades and stored indoors in a climate-controlled environment. It remains rust-free and features a dual exhaust system, along with attractive two-tone paint. While the front seat upholstery requires attention, the car remains a strong driver. Boat-tail Rivieras continue to enjoy growing collector demand thanks to their unique styling and powerful drivetrains. Number 15. 1967 Mercury Monterey Convertible, $11,500, Maple Ridge, British Columbia. This 1967 Mercury Monterey Convertible is a rare collector vehicle, with only 2,673 examples produced. Finished in attractive baby blue, it retains its original body, trim, and hubcaps while benefiting from a rebuilt numbers-matching engine. Showing just 38,925 original miles, the car presents as a highly original survivor with only light age-related patina. Equipped with a power-operated convertible top and collector registration, this Monterey offers rarity, authenticity, and classic 60s cruising enjoyment at a reasonable price.